Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a Happy Mail share with you guys today, and this is coming from my new friend June. I believe she was new to our little live group just recently joining us, and she wanted to send Happy Mail. I was like, oh my gosh girl, you don't have to, but whoa, I almost got myself. But she insisted, and okay, this is what she sent me. So I've not opened it yet. I'm opening it with you, and this is so cute. I got it last night, so bear with me guys as I try to open this. I love these little boxes though, because you can fit so much in there. You can fit so much. It's deceiving, but when I use it, I stuff this baby as much as possible. Okay, did I cut all the way through? No? Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let me cut this part right here. There it is. Oh, the flap is so screwed. Oh, here we go. Oh, right on the top, it has her little note. Thank you, June. My stuff is packaged up fancy, trying to save room in the box. This is stuff I had in my stash, and you could use it. Can't wait to see what you do with it. Your friend June. Thank you, June. Oh my goodness. Lord have mercy, she loaded this up. Oh, I could see all the goodies. Oh my gosh. Let's take them out of the box. So cute. Oh my god. See what I mean? This little box is deceiving. Look how much stuff she put in there. Wow. So let's start with this one since it's already open. I mean, not open, but it's visible. And she used a shrink plastic. How smart. Oh my gosh. That is amazing. Look at these. Oh, she shared her dewdrops with me. Awesome. And these are plastic. Okay. Where did you get these plastic ones? Because everyone that, I mean, all the ones that I've been seeing are glass. This is plastic. Is this the Dollar Tree one? Because they never have it at our store. Thank you so much, June. That is awesome. I love that. I actually shared a whole bunch with a bunch of girls. Oh, what are these? Guys, these are miniature flowers. Can you see how teeny tiny these are? Oh my goodness. Like super tiny, guys. Whoops. Where in the world did you find these? Gorgeous. Thank you, June. This is so unique and beautiful. Wow. That is gorgeous. And I love these jars. And then there's also this aqua color. Is it aqua? Or is it light blue? It's beautiful. All these teeny tiny, and they're not heavy. It's not a heavy metal, so I'm assuming it's like an aluminum, because it's very lightweight, but they're sturdy, if that makes any sense. So pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys, I don't know if you can even see the details in this flower. It's so pretty. It's this very same flower as the red ones. They're roses, pretty much roses. So we have this color, and we have like a pink fuchsia color. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh, I hope my camera is functioning right, because this would be so disappointing if it didn't turn out correct. And of course, purple. Oh my gosh, look at this purple. It's beautiful. Look at the purple. I hope it's focusing, guys. Oh my gosh. So pretty. Wow. And then you have green. Look at the green. Girly, if you made these, let us know. Or if you hauled them, let me know. Because these are gorgeous. And they're so itty bitty, guys. Oh my goodness. I love it. Thank you so much, June. And you gave so much. Look at how much she put in there. Look at that. That is a lot. Okay, so she also shared, what are these? Spiral journal books. And that's what the pages look like. So adorable. Let's open it. It's not even opened. My goodness. Noteworthy. That's what it's called. There's 10 designs in there. And they're shaped journaling cards. So cute. You could just... Oh my goodness. This is adorable. There's different shapes. 10 designs, guys. So look at that. Oh my goodness. That is so cute, and I like using these note cards because it's just easy to get your Happy Mail in there. Write a really quick note to your friend. The scoop. I'm sorry. So pretty. I love the colors too. What I learned. Some of my favorites. What I love. Oh, this is adorable. I can just imagine these in junk journals, although I've not made a junk journal yet. So yeah, that would be interesting. Making memories, 35 pieces, journaling book, 7 designs, 5 of each. That is so pretty, guys. And it's not like paper, it's cardstock. This is so adorable. So happy together. Oh my gosh. And then you have these 2 styles right here. This is like a list, top 10 reasons I love you. And it also says adore. And I love hearts. Oh, and it's perforated, so you could just tear that out like a doily and use it. Oh, that is so smart. Wow, I've never seen anything like this. And then you have this one. It looks like a bookmark to me. I would love to use that as a bookmark. Guys, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh. You can use that as a label even, like use it this way. And then there's a different heart too, and it's also perforated around the top so it could tear out. That is gorgeous. I love that. And here's a black and white, and it says our wedding. Although I've never, we haven't had a wedding. We've just had a marriage ceremony in the courthouse. But that's because we were military, so when you're on a limited budget and you're in a hurry to get married, you just want it done. I just want to be married to my husband. So no formalities. We went to the courthouse and got the deed done. Got the deed done? You know what I mean. So here's one, the first journaling card. There are 7 designs, 5 of each again. Oh my gosh. So here's another banner style and then a frame style. You could just cut the center out and use it as a frame. This is more paper-like. The other 2 are more like heavier weight paper, cardstock style. This is more like paper. So pretty. I love that. Oh, we can turn these into banners, guys. So cute. This is a double one, so this one's perforated right down the side there. That one, you have that, and then you have this one. So adorable. You still could use this as a banner. Of course, you could use it for journaling. That's what the intention is, but that is so cute. I love these. So unique. I've never seen anything like these. And these are all from Making Memories. I don't know if their company is still, you know, open or active or whatever. So let's see what's in this little baggie. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm horrible, guys. I'm so horrible at opening Happy Mail because I'm so silly. But look at these flat backs. These are jemmies. We could use these for flowers. Oh my goodness. Look at how shiny they are. Oh, I love these. Look at these little jemmies, guys. There's a diamond gem. Oh, so pretty. Look at these flowers. This is adorable. Look at this oval one. That is so sparkly. Look at that. Very faceted. So cute, guys. So many in here. I love it. There's more colors in this little baggie. This is gorgeous, June. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness, look at this bag. Look at this bag. This is a dragonfly. A little rosebud, tiny little rosebuds, and these little buckles. These are gorgeous. Oh my goodness, June. Thank you, hun. That is gorgeous. Wow, and that's not even everything in here. There's still more in this little bag. Beautiful, June. Thank you so much. That is just, you're so generous. And she does barely even know me. She just started watching our lives, and she already wanted to share her goodies with me. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, June. Look at these purple hearts. Oh, I love it. More hearts. Oh my goodness. Look at this. I love hearts. There's pearl colors. There's white and like a almost like a matted pearl. So pretty. That's not even all the hearts, guys. There's more in the bag. I have not even pulled them all out. Gorgeous, gorgeous. June. So generous. This community is just so generous. Welcome to the little family that we are growing. Look at these flowers, you guys. Oh, these are adorable. And little flat back buttons. So pretty. OMG. Look at that. I wouldn't even know where to begin to how to get these things, but they're gorgeous. Look at all those shiny little flowers. Look at that one. Okay, let me see here. Got these at 13 minutes already. Got these lovely crowns. Oh my gosh, there's like acrylic. Let me just open it. That one is what I was trying to show. Oh, this is so gorgeous. And look at that. Several crowns. Thank you, June. This is beautiful. I haven't even got to the other bag. And these butterflies. Oh my goodness. These are beautiful, and they have little holes on the top so we can beat them or use them in the charm dangle or something. That would be so cute. Beautiful. And she has this bag here. This is some cabochons. Look at this itty bitty cabochon. Look at that. I love the black with the white on top. This one right here. And this hot pink. All of these. These are gorgeous, June. Oh my goodness, girl. And there's more colors in there. And then she has some acrylic. What are these? Leaves? Yes, girl. This is, oh my goodness, so generous. So beautiful. There's different colors. There's blue, there's pink, there's yellow, there's red. It's gorgeous for fall. There's other colors in there too. That is gorgeous for fall. And then she has this pack of pearls. So we have one that is pink and one that is white pearl centers. You see that? And it's a flower, guys. Oh my gosh, sorry for the glare. There you go. So one has the white centers and one has the pink pearl centers. This is too much. This is too much for me. Oh my goodness. And she has more, guys. There's butterflies. Oh my God, June. Look at these butterflies. Oh, that is gorgeous. There's purple, there's brown. Is it brown or mauve? It looks brown to me. And then there's white. This is so beautiful. June, there's the white ones right there. So, so generous. Look at you. Hearts. Oh my God. I love hearts. What is this one? Oh, look at that. That is so beautiful. Look at that. And there's more. There's a gold sequin heart. Oh my gosh. These are puffy hearts, guys. I love hearts. Oh my gosh. And so unique. I've never seen these. And there's more hearts. These are like little patches. Look at these. It's a little puffy puff. You can't even tell on the screen. But they look like that. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. I'm assuming she likes hearts like me. This is all in her stash. Oh my gosh. Look at these butterflies. Look at the sequin butterflies, guys. So cute with all these other colors. Look at these shape butterflies. There's 2 different shapes there. And they're all in this bag. There's 3 probably different shapes, but I'm just gonna share with you the bag. Look at that. Oh my Lord. Look at these butterflies. Guys, there's so many different shapes. Oh my gosh. Look at that. This is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Thank you so, so, so much, June. This is amazing. And then she has teeny, teeny, tiny butterflies. Did you die cut these, June? Let me know. Because this is gorgeous. Look at this. You guys, she's new to me. So if she has a YouTube channel, I will go ahead and link it down there. But I know she's on Instagram, because that's where she contacted me. And I will put her Instagram in the description box below. But look at all these little butterflies. They're gorgeous. June, thank you so much, girl. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. I've never seen these before. Okay. They're falling out. They're runaway butterflies. And then we have these little butterflies. These are so different. Look at these butterflies. There's a lace one right here. And then there's these beautiful shaped butterflies. Oh my goodness. I love this, June. Thank you so much. Look at all these goodies. Didn't I just tell you you could fit so many stuff in that little teeny tiny box? And that is what she did. Exactly what she did. All of this amazing little embellishments to play with. Oh my goodness, June, you made my morning. Thank you. Thank you so much. This is so generous of you. And I'll share her links down below. And please go check out her channel if she has a channel. And I will share her IG. And give the video a thumbs up, guys. Yes, thank you for all your support and your love, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.